Assalamu alaikum to all my dear viewers. Today in this video we'll learn about some international organizations, their date of establishment and their headquarters. Okay. So first of all we are going to discuss about the United Nations. So United Nations is an intergovernmental organization, means different government, different countries are involved to form United Nations that aims to develop international peace and security among the member countries and develop friendly environment among different nations. The headquarters is located in New York City. Total members are 193 countries. Secretary General is the Antonio Guterres as the Secretary General, and it formed on 24 October 1945. The Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations, that is also called as FAO, is a specialized agency, or you can say it is an important wing of United Nations that leads international effort to defeat hunger and improve nutrition and food security among its member countries around the world as well. The headquarters is located in Rome, that is the capital of Italy, and it was formed on October 1945. UNESCO, full form is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It is also a specialized wing of United Nations, and it aimed to promote world peace and security through international cooperation, and cooperation is required in education, science and culture of its member countries. It was formed on 4th November 1945. Headquarters is located in Paris, that is the capital of France. The Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, OPCW, is also an intergovernmental organization and the implementing body for the Chemical Weapons Convention. Chemical Weapons Convention is an agreement, and the OPCW is an organization which implement this convention. Okay, the main focus of this organization is to reduce the use of chemical weapons during war. It prohibits the use of chemical weapons during the war. It established during 29 April 1997, and the headquarters is located in The Hague, Netherlands. The International Court of Justice, ICJ, sometimes called as the World Court, it is the supreme court in the world, and it is the main, you can say it is one of the basic principal organ of the United Nations. It settles dispute between states and gives advisory opinions on international legal issues referred to it by the UN. UN refers all the problems, all the issues between the nations to the ICJ, and ICJ settles all the problems. The headquarters located in The Hague, Netherlands, and established on 1945. Now the UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It is also a very important wing of United Nations agency that is responsible for the humanitarian and developmental aid to children worldwide. UNICEF's main activities include immunization and disease prevention, administering treatment for children and mothers with HIV infection, enhancing childhood and maternal nutrition. It also cares for mother and children. Okay, improving sanitation, promotion, education, and providing important funds. It was established on 1946 and headquartered located in New York. International Monetary Fund, IMF, is a very famous organization. We come to know about IMF through different news resources. So it is an international organization that promotes global economic growth among different poorer countries, as well as it provides financial stability, encourages international trade among different countries, as well as also responsible for the reduction of poverty. The headquarters is located in Washington DC. Total members are 189 members countries. The date of formation is 27th December 1945, and Kristalina Georgieva is the managing directress of this organization. WWF, World Wildlife Fund, is also an international NGO founded in 1961, and it works to preserve the wildlife and the reduction of human impact on the environment. It was formed on 29 April 1961. The headquarters is located in Switzerland. The World Bank is also a very famous international financial institute, okay, that provides loans and grants to the government of poorer countries. And the main goal of the World Bank is to reduce the poverty from the world. It was formed on 1944 July, okay, and headquarters located in Washington DC. World Health Organization (WHO) is also a very specialized agency of the United Nations responsible for international public health. It publishes data, collect information of all the diseases of all the ongoing infection in the world. The headquarters is located in Geneva, Geneva, a city of Switzerland. The WHO was established on 7th April 1948. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon to get all the instant notification from my channel. Thank you.